Welcome to ChrisVerse. Want to sound more natural in English? Don't just listen. Speak with me. Repeat every sentence after me. Let's start. Good morning. Today is a beautiful day. I feel happy today. I am ready to learn English. Let's begin together. Take a deep breath. Smile. You can do this. Keep going. Excellent. Daily conversation. How are you today? I'm doing great. What are you doing? I'm learning English. That's wonderful. Can you help me? Of course. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Have a nice day. At a coffee shop. Hello. I'd like a cup of coffee, please. Anything else? No, thank you. How much is it? Here you are. Have a great day. See you again. Bye. My name is Alice. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I'm learning English. I practice every day. English is fun. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I leave for work. I start my day. I feel happy. Can you help me? Of course. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. I'm sorry. No problem. That's okay. I understand. I don't understand. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. Let's eat. That looks delicious. I like this. I love it. That's amazing. Have a nice day. Today, we're at the shopping mall. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I am at the shopping mall. The mall is very busy. There are many stores here. I want to buy a new shirt. This shirt looks nice. I like this color. Do you have my size? Can I try it on? Where is the fitting room? It fits me well. I like this one. I'll take it. How much is it? That's a good price. It's a little expensive. Do you have a discount? Can I pay by card? Here's my card. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Let's go to another store. I'm looking for shoes. These shoes are comfortable. I love these shoes. I'll buy them. Let's go to the food court. I'm hungry. Let's get something to eat. The food smells delicious. I had a great time today. Thank you for shopping with me. Excellent job. Keep practicing your English every day. See you in the next lesson. Amazing job. If you repeated every sentence, you're improving your English one step at a time. Subscribe to ChrisVerse for more daily shadowing lessons. See you in the next video. Goodbye.